Scott here. Today we're reviewing a Tampa Bay, Florida-based heat and air company that we've turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of Air Masters. John DeYoung and all the folks there are amongst one of the most respected owners in the heating and air conditioning industry, and this company grades out with excellent marks across the board for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews and testimonials, and much more. So if you live in Lutz, Brandon, St. Petersburg, Oldsmar, Clearwater, Riverview, and Temple Terrace areas, and you need heating and AC services, including repairs and installations, just check out Air Masters. From amongst 500 plus HVAC contractors in your area, Air Masters is the only company receiving our seal of industry excellence. So to learn more about Air Masters, check out their details below and give them a call today. And again, congratulations to John DeYoung and their entire team.